CAR stock tomorrow. Am I buying? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end for a surprise and also to find out whether I'm buying or not. So Avis Budget Group is sitting at 116 bucks and 33 cents. To give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you all this because that's the truth and I've documented everything. So with Avis Budget, just car stock, it's up like crazy, like it's 22% up, but it's still in a bearish supply zone, man. Like really, from a first glance, from a hard time frame, it's a good bullish trend, and I love to see it. So therefore, I'm going to mark out the previous highs, which were hit right there, 517 bucks. We still have this demand zone from which it came from. So honestly, this could be a start of something huge. Like I mean, huge, huge, huge. For me to pull the trigger up, there should be two double breaks above this point. It's either like from a even looking at it from a daily perspective, there should be double breaks. So only when that starts happening is when I'm gonna pull the trigger. So it's not financial advice, and I'm waiting for more candles, meaning more time needs to elapse. For 100% free course, check the first link in the description.